What's the meaning of all-encompassing? All-encompassing. 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 All-encompassing.
The term all-encompassing refers to something that includes or affects everything within its scope. It is often used to describe a concept, idea, or system that is all-encompassing in nature. The result of an all-encompassing approach is one that takes into account every possible factor and leaves no stone unturned. This can be beneficial in certain situations, such as when trying to solve complex problems or create comprehensive solutions. However, an all-encompassing approach can also be overwhelming and may not always be necessary or practical.